Good evening to one and all. My name is Vivek Kumar, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Technology. In this video lecture series, we are going to discuss about a case study on types of drives. What is a drive? A drive is one of the important factors in which the power is transmitted from the driving shaft to the driven shaft. That means we can be able to transfer the power from the smaller pulley to the larger pulley based upon the different types of applications, speed, torque required, etc. There are about different types of drives which are used. Some of them are mainly mechanical drives. The mechanical drive is classified into different types. Some of the major examples are belt drive. And then in belt drive, there are about different types. Flat belt, V-belt, ribbed belt, toothed belt drives. And also the mechanical component, it is already classified into a chain drive and also a rope. And there are about another major classification in case of electrical drives and fluid drive, etc. Next, the major factor behind the drives where it is used and the applications, it can be explained by our students. Thank you.
So hi, myself Vivek, Department of Mechanical Engineering, currently I am third year. So today we are going to see about the type of mechanical drives. So first we will see about the belt drive. So the belt drive is basically it transmits power between two rotating shafts with the use of flexible belt. And the working principle is like the driving pulley rotates and the flexible belt turns, and it moves the driving pulley by the friction. So it basically used in the washing machines and in conveyors. So like the second one is like chain drive. So this chain drive is used to transmit power with the help of the metal chain, where the teeth is meshed with the sprockets. So when it rotates, the power is generated. So it is basically used in the bicycles and motorcycles. So the third one is so the next one is gear drive. So the gear drive, it usually its working principle is like it works on the interlocking basis. So the two gears is interlocked and it rotates and it generates the power. So basically, like we use watches. So like in this watches, this mechanism is used, which is the gear drive. So it interlocks with the two gears, with the teeth is interhooked, and it rotates and transmits the power. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Prashant, third year mechanical department. I talk about types of belt materials: cotton, rubber, fabric, reinforced rubber. Next, synthetic polyurethane, cotton. The belt materials can be mixed and collaborated with the belt, using for the more power transmitting to one place to another without one medium to another medium with the help of motion. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Saranvi. I am currently pursuing mechanical third year. Now we are going to see about electrical drive. First of all, what is electrical drive? Electrical drive is a drive which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, like rotary motion. In drive means it is also called as motor. In electrical drive we use AC drive, DC drive, stepper drive, servo drive. What is AC drive means? We use AC motors as a driver. It applications with low torque and minimal applications like pumps, fans and etc. In DC drive it is used for heavy applications like power transmission of JCB and cranes etc. In stepper and servo drives, these two are used as highly accurate and precision drives. Examples, servo drives are used as CNC and robotics. Stepper drives are used as 3D printers and other applications. In electrical drives, it is classified of three control. One is manual control, semi-automatic control and fully automatic control. And the main advantages of the electrical drive is it is easy controllable and high precision. And the main disadvantage of the electrical drive is high initial cost and requires skill levels. Also, it needs high maintenance. Thank you.
Good evening, I am Sujan, third year mechanical. I will see about fluid drive. Fluid drive is nothing but it is used oils for lifting the objects and moving the objects. And it has two types, mainly hydraulic and pneumatic. Hydraulic, which is use compressed oil, and pneumatic we use compressed air by using compressor. Normally fluid used as a pump, impeller and valves, and hydraulic we use oil, pump and motor and valves, and pneumatic we use FLR, valves and compressor.
Hi, I am Srinath from Mechanical third year. So I am going to summarize this section. So based on the drives, the drive is one of the main essential thing or a word used in mechanical division, which refers to a transfer of power from one shaft to another or one gear to another. So based on drives, we have many different types explained our classmates. As we see about electrical drives, about motors and DC and AC supply current based on the electrical engineering, and based on hydraulics, we see about using oils and fluids and using air, and based on the belts. So based on the belts, there are main three essential belts I have to talk about, like flat belt, V belt, and toothed belt. So as for the flat belt, we use different types of pulleys for different types of belts based on its applications. So flat belts refers to one of the fastest and speed using we use it in lathe machines to transmit heavy loads and heavy powers. So belt has many failures like slip and creep. So based on slip failure, it occurs by the initial and end of the machine starting and ending. So that's all about the belts and drives. So as for the belt, I need to talk about one thing. If we use a gear as a board, the belt is a tissue of a mechanical. Thank you.